Hey y'all, it's almost the end of the year. I'm here at the Eclectika tonight with Lilac to see their last show of the year. We'll see. Maybe we can chat with Derrick, see what's up, what the year's been like over here. I haven't been able to get to as many art shows this year as I wanted to. Been super busy with work, but I'm glad to be out tonight. It's the holiday atmosphere and looking forward to seeing some art, hanging out, having a good time.
Yeah. Hello.
There's Derrick.
It's me.
So I haven't made it to too many shows this year, but things seem to have really shifted a lot.
Yes. Things have changed drastically the past 6 months in terms of participation and the kind of artists that we're getting in. This past 6 months have been transformative in that we've gotten a lot of really talented curators coming in, bringing a lot of great artists. Attendance is clearly spectacular. We've been pushing over 100 people coming into all these shows. In some cases, 200. So we're very fortunate and very happy that the Dallas arts community has come in and supported our efforts and allowed us to give them the opportunity to come in and to show and have a place to show.
I just remember when we came here, like 2.5 years, like it was around the summer of 23.
Yeah.
It was just like a grungy warehouse.
It was a grungy warehouse.
Now it looks like a posh gallery space. I hope you're not in the process of losing your DIY credentials.
Hopefully not. I did have someone who has been to several shows say that this feels like this is the future of the Dallas art scene here, and I'm like, hey, don't say that to me, That's a lot of pressure on me. Thank you, but
how would you sum up the year like this? You said it's your last show. I'm not sure I believe you, but that's what you said.
It's the last show of the year. We have a whole bunch coming up next year. So we've got most of 2026 is planned.
And how was this year in looking back?
Looking back, this is the most successful I think my career in art shows has been. It has been almost strange because usually you get to a certain point and things fall apart, and you're just kind of used to that. You're like, oh, things are really good now. And now things are gonna be bad, but it hasn't been. It's been like, oh, I've not gotten this far yet. I guess we got to keep doing it. So we're very, very lucky and very fortunate that we have had so much support.
You're saying you put a team together?
Yes, and we have a full team because I cannot do it all by myself. This is Brienne. Brienne is our lead preparator here and has helped us remodel the space along with the assistant gallery director, Lauren Allen, facilities manager, Shannon West, Christina Vasquez also comes in and helps. Alex Crash does our zine, and Chris Rame, and we've got, a really strong team here, and I could not do as much as we do here without them. So we're very, very, very lucky. And I think that's everyone. I didn't forget. Vahid comes in and helps from time to time. So we got some folks who are mainstays, and we got some folks who come in and very great people, very, very lucky to have.
Can't wait to see what the next year brings. Maybe I'll get to more of the shows next year.
No worries if we can't make everything, because we do so fucking well.
The DIY spirit carries on at the Eclectika, the grassroots art space there in a nondescript industrial warehouse in Irving, Texas, just a short ride over from Dallas proper. the idiosyncratic, the too much, the experimental, and the just plain weird. All of them find their home here in this haven for creative expression. A crude mechanical finger reaches tentatively toward a phone with a cracked screen. And where else will you get to watch a video of a young man crying? These DIY spaces have attracted me ever since my days at 500X Gallery some 30 years ago. And with that, we were off into the night, visions of art dancing like sugar plums in our heads.